Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar was kind of a tricky move today because it did definitely break structure to the upside, but then it ended up rejecting this structure, making another big impulsive move down at the PMI news today. I'm definitely still looking at this as corrective action, especially compared to this move up. I still think it's very likely this is an ABC correction. Until you actually get that break of structure, whether it happens now or whether it happens at one of these lower Fibonacci levels, I definitely think you should continue to look for shorts, especially if you are trading the shorter time frames. If it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then keep on going short. When you finally do get that break of structure, whether it happens at the 50, 61.8, or the 78.6, stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single thing on this list right here every day for my members. And it also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry. As always, thank you and happy trading.